We get a lot of questions about snacks. What's good? What's bad? What's going to help me on my program? Or what's going to help me just start living healthier? One of the best things you can do is really eliminate snacking entirely. And I know that sounds crazy, and I know that sounds like a huge leap if you are a regular snacker and all of a sudden you've got some random person saying don't snack at all. There's a huge spectrum here. We want to work towards this level because often snacking is not hungry. Snacking is I'm bored, I'm stressed, I need to divert my energy in another direction. And even snacking in healthy ways all day long can still cause problems because if you're like me, if I have a cashew, I'm going to have all the cashews that are in front of me, or almonds, same kind of deal. So even if we're snacking healthy, it can be problematic. So one of the first things I would encourage you to do is that if you have a habit around snacking and it hits 10 in the morning and it's time for a snack, decide if you're really hungry. And if you're not entirely sure about it, have something to drink. Go for a coffee, go for a water or a tea, go for a LaCroix. These are all things that can divert us from the calorie intake, but still satisfy that brain rush of I need something. Because if we can taper in our calorie loads to just our meals, you're going to reduce by sometimes hundreds of calories a day, and you're going to start to see some healthy changes right off the bat. Now, on the other side of that, if you're a snacker that's like pretzels, cookies, donuts, the candy junk that is really, really a problem, let's start instituting a substitute that is healthier. Start moving towards a vegetable or a fruit as a snack because it is always an orange is going to be better than a Snickers. So if you have questions, reach out below, but start making healthier snack choices.